So it'll be really cool. And I hope it like floats everywhere because it's gonna be really cool.
Okay, so today we're doing the Diet Coke and Mentos challenge.
Yeah.
And we're going to see how it goes.
And this is what we're going to use for the Coke. And this is the Coke. I don't know why we have a cup for that. We don't need a cup. We can just do it in there.
Okay, alright. So how many Mentos you got in here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 Mentos? Okay, and we're going to put it into this Dr.
Watch me shake it up.
Okay, I'm going to back up.
I'm gonna go see my papa.
Okay. We're not doing a challenge or anything. Alright, come on. Come on over here real quick. You can watch it. Okay, go ahead. Do you want to hold it and film while I put them in? Because it can get messy.
It's okay.
Okay, so you know how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Don't, come, hold on, I'm not going to do it. Don't dump it. Just put it to the edge and then flip it over. Okay, hold on. Ready? Wait until I say okay. You want? Okay, can you hold this camera?
I can hold it because I'm a
No, you come stand over here with me.
No.
Come on over here. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
That was pretty cool. Okay. Yeah. All right. See if it does anything. Nothing. It did nothing. Okay.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay. Diet Coke? Yeah, was it cool? Yeah. Must have been too cool for school. Jenny, you gotta rinse off this Coke on the ground, sweetie.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
It's pretty messy.
Mike,
Go
come on.
rinse it out. Go put some more water in it. No, you go.